Guzua. Senior girls, yellow house. Nang deng. Lagi sih deh. Lagi sih.
Next Mariam. Mariam. Sam.
Ising mo lang ano YouTuber ah. Ay, Soka.
Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Cheer up. Come on, yellow house. Cheer up.
Barca.
Barca. For the record, Mariam will jump now.
Not like this. Yes, sir. One ladies. Sit in line. Everybody sit in line.
Okay, today we have come to the last day of sports week, or this is the closing ceremony. And really, I would like to thank in this very moment all the staffs, sports insurers, house insurers, and all the houses, because from the starting till today, you have worked hard, you have maintained discipline, and many of you have achieved first, second, third position in many events. And as we know, the sports also is a part of education, and you have taken it as a part of education. This morning, for many of us, it was first experience to run. Has to come so that you can achieve. So I tell you, be disciplined in every sports, in every game. Be disciplined in your study. Be disciplined in your daily life. That can bring you success in your life. That can give you a beautiful fruit in your life. Without discipline, you cannot success in any ground. Therefore, I tell you, I advise you, be disciplined. How you speak, be disciplined. How you eat, be disciplined. How you talk, be disciplined. How you live, be disciplined. How you study, be disciplined. And how do you play? And definitely you will get the fruit. So, lastly, once again, I thank our sport. Every house commander. Yes.
So now we flag off the sports week's flag. Commander, order to take the flag. Commander, order to take the flag.
Take off their flag.
Take down.